Accident Detection System using IoT. Presented by Purnasai M, Mohammad Tawfiq Umar N, Nitish SS, Sarika Shri S, and Raghavi S. Guided by J. Jagan Babu, Assistant Professor. Abstract. The main idea of our project is to detect the accident which occurs and immediately hospitalize the injured person to increase the chances of saving their lives. The main objectives of this project are whenever an accident occurs, the informations are reported very quickly and automatically. As the informations are reported fast, the response time of the emergency services such as fire brigade, ambulance, and police department is also fast.
Let me now give you a brief introduction on our project. If we take the current statistics, approximately 1.3 million people die each year due to the road accidents. This right here is not the count of the road accidents but the lives lost due to the road accidents, which is a really huge number. Most of the times, the injured person loses a life is because they are not admitted to the hospital on time. There are several crucial incidents where the person should be admitted within a few minutes of the accident. So, we have designed a system which would detect the accident that has occurred and report it to the nearest hospital and police department immediately. Now, let me emphasize three important points on why everyone should use our system. It is the simplest and easiest way to detect the accident and report it immediately. Its low cost will encourage almost everyone to install it and in their automobiles. This could be very helpful as there is no such system prevailing in the current market. The output we get, that is, the current accident locations are very much precise. This will be very much helpful in rescuing the injured person.
Now we will see about the hardware used in this project. Arduino Uno, MEMS sensor, pulse sensor, temperature sensor, GSM module, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module and LCD display. The software which we have used here is Arduino IDE and Trios IoT.
Let us have a look on our existing system of a project, which is commonly known as black box. These are found in aircrafts. Black box is used to save all information about the occurrence of accidents, but there is no such system prevailing into the current market to the other automobiles. Proposed system. With an idea of an existing system, we have proposed an accident detection system. Here we have used GPS technology and MEMS sensor to get accurate location. We have used microcontroller, that is Arduino, which transmit the location through GSM module and Wi-Fi module. This is the block diagram for our project. Here all the data pins of the sensors are connected to the analog pins of the Arduino, and then the LCD is connected to the Arduino from pin 8 to 13, and then the GSM module and Wi-Fi module is connected to the receiver and transmitter of the Arduino. Then the 5 volts and ground is commonly connected to all the sensors and the modules.
Now, let us see the workflow of the project. We have used the MEMS sensor. Here, the MEMS sensor value crosses 450 when the vehicle finds to have a disturbance in any of the X, Y or Z axis. When an accident occurs, either the vehicle would have had an immediate stop or a rotation, then the MEMS value will be increased. If the MEMS value is increased above 450, the Arduino gathers the heartbeat value from the heartbeat sensor, temperature from temperature sensor, and location from the MEMS sensor. Now, a signal from Arduino will be sent to two different modules. The first module will be the GSM module, which contains a SIM unit. It receives the location details from the Arduino and sends a message to the given contact number. Then, the second module is ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. This updates the details in the website whichever received from the Arduino. Now, the website contains whatever data is received from the sensors like heartbeat value, temperature value, and the location. The website can also be filtered according to the date and time. Now, let us see the demonstration video. Here, the power 12 volt is supplied to the Arduino. All the values will be displayed in the LCD display. Here, you can see the working of heartbeat sensor, temperature sensor, and the MEMS sensor. Here, when the MEMS sensor is kept straight, the value will be within 450. But when it is tilted in abnormal section, M will be displayed. The data will be sent to the website and the given contact number, and the output will be displayed like the message containing the latitude and longitude values, and the website containing the heartbeat value, temperature value of the driver, and the location of the accident occurred.
It is low cost solution for automobile positions and status, and at the same time It will be helpful for the person who got injured in the remote area so that we can give immediate medications to the person. In future, we are going to give a unique medical ID to the user, and this ID is linked with the Aadhaar which contains total medical history of the patients. This will be very useful for the doctor who treats that individual. And we can make a device which is consists of heartbeat sensor and temperature sensor, which the driver can own it as a wristband and can be connected to the Bluetooth.